It's time for day 2 of the letter X. Let's start to work on our background. We're going to be doing a striped sort of effect in the background, but we're not going to be doing solid stripes. We're going to be doing a gentle wave. So this is an effect that you can either do on the background, like what we're going to do today, or you can even do this within a letter for a really interesting, cool effect. Interesting and cool, just trying to make it seem extra great. You want to draw lines that are almost straight, but have a slight wave to them. They should be gentle, and you also want to make it so that they're not all the exact same. For instance, this line waves up, and then this one comes down. It's still got a gentle curve to it, but it's further down on this side of the circle than it originated at. Let's do another one like that, coming from up in this section and going down below. And then we're going to swap. So we'll put 2 lines that are closer together, coming across. Oh, that's a little bit straight, actually, looking at that. You want to make sure it's never going straight through the circle. And then another one that comes down that way. We've extended these lines past the circle, and our background's not actually going to go past the circle, but I find that it's easier to draw a fluid line if you start outside of the circle and finish outside of the circle. Our next step, before we add some color, is to go through, erase the whole thing, making sure that you can still see your guidelines for these gentle lines, your guidelines for the X, and your guidelines for the circle itself. You can work to really erase outside of the circle, but make sure you can still see it on the inside. And next day, we'll add some color.